Rhythms of Indus.
I would like to request our Minister Culture to say thank you to all our national and international guests. Syed Sardar Shah, Minister Culture and Tourism. Syed Sardar Shah.
Actually, I am nobody to say thank you to all of you because I am just organizer of this event. I am not the host. The real host is Adi Faryal Talpur Sahiba. So I would like to request Adi Faryal to come on the stage and say few words. And along with Adi, Nisar Khuhro Sahab, I request you to come on the stage. Khurshid Junejo Sahab, Sohail Syal Sahab, Ramesh Lal, MNA, Muhammad Ali Bhutto Sahab, MP, all parliamentarians from Larkana. They will present gift to our foreign delegates, national and international delegates here on the stage. Adi Faryal Talpur Sahiba will welcome you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome the participants who've been here for this program on Mohenjo-daro. This is Larkana. Larkana is the base of civilizations because this is where the civilization of Mohenjo-daro was formed. As the Secretary Culture was talking about, this river flows. And wherever the river flows, as we all know, whenever rivers have flown, there have been embankments, and on these embankments have been civilizations. So Indus Valley civilization is one of those that grew up and gloomed here. How it disappeared, how it vanished, is something to think about. There's so many theories regarding this civilization that was there, and then it vanished and went away. I welcome all of you from the people of Larkana, as I am the Member of Parliament here. Besides me is Mr. Nisar Khuhro, who happens to be the Member of Parliament in the Provincial Assembly, and other members too. Once again, it's a lovely evening. We have good weather. And I know you've been here, especially those delegates that have come from other countries, that you've come from far, far off to this small little city of ours. I welcome you all. And I hope you've had nice exposure to the culture of this country, of this city. Again, thank you for inviting me, and thank you for making me the thank you for making me the host, Minister. Yes, Mr. Nisar.
I don't have to say anything after you've spoken. Well, I'm on behalf of the city of Larkana. It's a wonderful event that we are doing this. We are celebrating Mohenjo-daro in the city of Larkana. And that's where I belong to. That's where I'm the member of the Provincial Assembly of Sindh. So, I would appreciate Sardar Ali Shah for having brought Mohenjo-daro in the international focus. The point is to talk about this. It's the World Heritage, and World Heritage is where we should all be giving attention to, and I'm sure the world, you come from different countries. It shows your commitment, it shows your interest, it shows your research, which would obviously help the site, which will help the tradition, which will help the civilization. That was 5,000 years ago. And we would be able to understand more about it, because that's been a lesson to the civilizations of today. What Mohenjo-daro depicts, it is actually the lesson for all times to come. And this is what we wanted to bring attention to, and the focus has been driven to this, and I'm sure this will go a long way in helping Mohenjo-daro, in helping the site, and helping our future too. Thank you so much for having come here, and I do feel happy that Mohenjo-daro is celebrated in Larkana city. Thank you, Sardar Shah Sahab.
Thank you very much, sir. Minister of Food Nisar Ahmed Khuhro Sahab, and we have other parliamentarians with us. And I request you to be on the stage, and I would call one by one all delegates of from international community and from all over Pakistan who will come on the stage, and all of you will be presenting them Thari shawl, the shawl from Umarkot, from the district of our Minister Culture. Now, I would request the guests one by one, and they are requested to come on the stage. Dr. Mark Konair, Doctor from USA. Dr. Nilofer Sheikh. After Dr. Nilofer Sheikh, I request Dr. Adi Faryal will present shawl to Mark Konair. Konair Jonathan Mark from USA. And it's lovely that Mark Konair speaks very good Urdu and learning Sindhi also. Mark Konair, I request you to speak few words in Urdu or Sindhi, whatever you know.
सिंधी नहीं आती मगर मैं उर्दू में बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ.
Mark Konair from USA. Dr. Richard Meadow from USA. Dr. Nisar Khuhro Sahab. So, Nisar Khuhro Sahab. Dr. Sai PhD करे सकन था. अन्या भी time है. Dr. Richard Meadow Sahab from USA. Ayumo Konasukawa from Japan. Ayumo Konasukawa from Japan. Dennis Friends from Italy. Dr. Carla Lancilotti from Italy. Sorry, she's from Spain. Ji, Dr. Khurshid Junaid Sahab kindly present shawl to Dr. Meadow. हाँ हाँ जी जी Thank you, Doctor. Sai Ramesh Lal Sahab. Thank you. Ji ji. Adi Faryal Talpur is presenting shawl to Dr. Carla, Dr. Marco Madela from Spain, and Dr. Brad Chase from USA, Dr. Uzma Rizvi, and Dr. Rita Wright Patricia. Dr. Uzma Rizvi is also from USA, and Dr. Rita Wright Patricia is also from USA. They are requested to come to the stage. Mr. Ramesh Lal will be presenting to Mr. Brad Chase. Mr. David Sarmagito Castillo from France and Dr. Agoy Didai from France. Both are requested to come to the stage. It's very difficult to pronounce French name, Dr. Agoy Didai. Will you please clap for our guests? Dr. Pascal Monk from France and Mr. Hassan Khokhar from Pakistan. Dr. Rita, please. Adi Faryal Talpur Sahiba will present shawl. Dr. Agoy. She's working here on archaeological mission working at Chahunjo Daro, district Nawab Syed Benazirabad. Mr. Hassan Khokhar, oh, okay. Mr. David. Thank you. Mr. Hassan Khokhar. Mr. Afzal Khan and Dr. Shinde Vasant Shivaram from India. Dr. Shinde Vasant Shivaram from India. Mr. Ramesh will present shawl. Dr. Joseph Schulderenen from USA and Anne Anderson from France. And Mr. Abdul Samad Khan from Pakistan, KPK. Qazi Ayaz Mahesar from UNESCO and Asuko Maruyama. I did not see her this evening. If she is here, she is requested to come to the stage. Mr. Takuya Hatikiyama from Japan. Mr. Takuya Hatikiyama from Japan. Yes, please come. Thank you. Dr. Hafiz Jamali and Mr. Mohammad Safdar Khan. Dr. Hafiz Jamali, Mr. Mohammad Safdar Khan, and Dr. Altaf Asim, member of Technical Committee on Monjo Dado. Mr. Waqar Shah, parliamentarian of Sindh Assembly. Mr. Waqar Shah. She is Mariam from Japan. Mario Yama is Mariam. Mr. Hakim Ali Shah is a member of Technical Committee and also retired archaeologist from Sindh, Dr. Hakim Ali Shah, and Mr. Mastomio Norikyo, Mastomo Norikyo from Japan. Dr. Farzan Masih from Pakistan and Dr. Asma Ibrahim. Dr. Asma Ibrahim and Dr. Farzan Masih. Dr. Kalim Lashari Saab. Big hand for Dr. Kalim Lashari Saab. He was the coordinator of this whole event and he organized well. He contacted all the international delegates and national delegates. So he did it. Dr. Kalim Lashari. And last but not the least, a man who has been working on Monjo Dado for last 35 years or even more than that, 38 years, Dr. Michael Jason from Germany. वॾियूं ताड़ियूं वॼाए बाबा 40 साल खां कमु करे पियो असां वटि हाणे सिंधी बि सम्झी वियो आहे ऐं चए थो बलड़े जी जो आहियां
लोगोची रह गया ये कराची
Mr. Noguchi from Japan. I don't know whether Mr. Faraz Ghani from Al Jazeera is here or not. Michael Jensen. Khuhro Sahab.
We know each other for a long time.
He has been working on Monjo Dado since 1979. Thank you, and I request you to speak few words.
For us who are working since many, many, many years in Pakistan, you have made us feeling like being at home. Sindh is a wonderful country, and all of us who are working in the countryside are impressed by the honesty, dignity and the pride of all Sindhi people. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you. बहुत शुक्रिया.